Hi. Today we are going to do the presentation about the leadership big steps at OZEAR. So a case study on organizational decline. And our board member is Jiajun, Yao Tong, Alan, and Darren. In our part of presentation, we will do the introduction and the recommendation one, recommendation two, and conclusion. And in the principles, and we will follow the scientific management principles, and our aim is to improve the efficiency, safety, and customer satisfaction at OTAir. And our recommendation is based on the Taylor's research. So here's the recommendation one: the implement best practice operations.
Okay, so for the first recommendation, first is about we 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 will discuss about 5W1H. So it's what, when, who, and the stuff. And then so first is what recommendation that we give. So first one is to implement the scientific management to upgrade the maintenance of and the safety procedures. So based on the study case, that a study case say that the safety is not really good, so we need to upgrade it. And then like how? So for the part like how, we just conduct time and motion study to identify which part is not efficient, and we need to establish the standard of operation for the standard operation procedure for the maintenance. And then like who will make the standard procedure. So basically the planning department staff should make it based on the study case. And when for but when it's for the process standardization begin in the quarter 3 of 2024 at main operational basis and headquarter. What cost will it take to enhance the safety? The cost will include the labor of planning department training, and it will imply the new system. And last, the problem for the recommendation. What is the problem? It's for it's the resistance to change from existing staff or initial slowdowns during the transition to the new procedures. So the three of them that we can see is that first is conduct time and motion to optimize maintenance and operations. And then the second one is establish a planning department for safety and operational schedule. And the third one is focus on enhancing safety and operational integrity through standardized best practice.
Okay, so the second recommendation is strengthening workforce capabilities. Moving on onto the second recommendation, which focuses on the workforce, we recognize the need to enhance the skills of OZEAR staff significantly. Therefore, we are overhauling the training programs to focus on critical operational skills and superior customer service. The Human Resources Department will take the lead, supported by external consultant to bring in specialized training. This training rollout is scheduled to start in the last quarter of 2024 at OZEAR dedicated training facilities. The costs involved include development, the training programs, and the fees for hiring consultant. Additionally, we plan to introduce incentive-based program to motivate the staff and increase their engagement and satisfaction. One potential issue here is the engagement level of the staff. High-quality training can be expensive, and measuring the effectiveness of this program will be crucial. We must ensure that these efforts translate into tangible improvements and service delivery in operational capacities. So there are three main goals for this recommendation. The first one is develop targeted training programs focusing on critical operational skills and customer service. The second one is integrate incentive-based programs to increase employee performance and satisfaction. And the third one is to leverage training to boost employees' engagement and organizational commitment.
Yeah, lastly, in conclusion, we have achieving long-term growth and stability. Firstly, the anticipated outcome is enhanced efficiency by improving process and system to increase efficiency and reduce costs. And secondly is improve the service quality by providing trust to customers and employees and loyalty of customers. Secondly, emphasize the role of structural improvement in fostering long-term organizational growth. Lastly is the conclusion. The conclusion is continuous monitoring and adaptation of strategies based on performance. That's all from our group.